Meaning of hormone.
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 Hormone. A hormone is a chemical substance produced by the endocrine glands that regulates and controls specific functions in the body. Hormones are released into the bloodstream and travel to target cells or organs where they bind to specific receptors and initiate a response. These responses can include changes in growth, development, metabolism, and behavior, among others. Hormones are essential for maintaining homeostasis within the body and coordinating a variety of physiological processes. They play a critical role in human health and well-being, and disruptions in hormone levels can lead to a range of disorders and diseases.